Hi everyone, welcome to Total Integrative Oriental Medicine. I will tell you tips and tricks on how to stay healthy. Today I will tell you 3 tips on meditating like a pro. Meditation sounds so compelling. You wanna give it a try, but you don't have time to do it. You hesitate to dedicate 30 minutes of your day to meditate. You'd rather spend 30 minutes on exercise, sleep, or even work if you're a workaholic. You don't ever have to meditate for 30 minutes. Just do it for 10 minutes. Don't tell me you absolutely can't find 10 minutes of your day. You don't ever have to meditate for 1 hour or 30 minutes a day. We spend at least 1 hour on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikToks, and YouTube. So you have 10 minutes of your day to meditate. That's all I'm asking. Meditation was about emptying your mind decades ago, but now it's more about being conscious of yourself at a given moment. If it sounds sci-fi to you, it did to me years ago, then just concentrate on your breathing. You will empty your mind and be conscious of yourself simultaneously. Like deep breathing. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. You carry so much stress on your shoulders from work and personal matters. It's time to set your shoulders free from stress. Let go of tension in your body, especially in your shoulders, before you start meditating. We carry so much tension in our shoulders. So before you meditate, I want you to relax your shoulders as much as possible. Let's recap. Relax your body, concentrate on your breathing, and do it just for 10 minutes. Meditation can be as easy as it sounds. When you meditate like this daily, you are in the club. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.